In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reset Gboard settings on an Android phone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. To do that, you can tap at Settings up icon if it is located on your home screen. And also you can swipe down and hit right here at that gear. On settings, we need to scroll down until we find apps. Here it is. And that's where we'll be able to see the list of all our applications. The easiest way to find Gboard is to use search. So I'm going to type right here and just enter Gboard. So that's how we can easily find it. And now first off, we need to get into it. Once it is done, scroll down until you find the storage. Here it is. And at storage, all you have to do, at storage, all you have to do is just hit right here at clear data, just like that. It is grayed out now because I have just installed this app on my iPhone for recording that video. I haven't even launched it yet, so it is grayed out. In my case, in your case, you will be able to tap right here and then hit OK to clear this application's data. And after that, I recommend you to restart your phone. To do that, just long press simultaneously at power button and volume down button for a couple of seconds, just like that, until that screen appears, and after that just hit right here at restart. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.